Turn your passion into profit. How to make money on YouTube. What's up everybody, it's Yasir. Want to turn your passion into profit? Dude, YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful platform to earn serious cash. We're talking life-changing money. I've invited my boy Mr. Beast to help give you guys the ultimate guide to YouTube success, just like he did. We'll show you how to start making money on YouTube with actionable tips and proven strategies that work. We're gonna break it down step by step, so even if you're starting from scratch, you can make it big. Get ready to learn from the best, and start your journey to becoming the next YouTube sensation. First things first, we need to build you an awesome YouTube channel. This is your home base, so make it pop. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's tech reviews like MKBHD, cooking like Binging with Babish, or gaming like PewDiePie. What gets you fired up? What do you know more about than anyone else? That's your lane. Now let's make your channel visually appealing. You need a catchy name, a logo that screams YouTuber, and a banner that makes people want to click that subscribe button. Remember, first impressions matter, so make it count. Alright, listen up. Content is king on YouTube. It's all about giving the people what they want, and that's high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. Think about the videos you click on, the ones you watch all the way through. What makes them so good? Study your favorite YouTubers, see what they're doing, and then put your own spin on it. The key here is consistency. You gotta stick to a regular upload schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. And don't be afraid to experiment. Always look for ways to improve your videos, whether it's trying new editing techniques or finding fresh ways to present your ideas. Speaking of editing, you're gonna need some tools. Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve are industry standards, but there are also free alternatives like HitFilm Express that can get the job done. Now let's talk about making that money. To start earning ad revenue, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Think of it as your gateway to the big leagues. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. You just need to hit a couple of milestones. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. It's all about building that audience. Once you're approved, ads will start running on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Cha-ching! It's like getting paid to do what you love. Alright, you're in the partner program, ads are running, but we're not stopping there. There are tons of ways to make money on YouTube, so let's diversify that income. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's like being a virtual salesperson. You promote products in your videos, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a commission. Easy money? Then there are sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands will approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. Just make sure it's a good fit for your channel and your audience. And hey, why not sell your own merch? Everyone loves a good hoodie or a t-shirt. Create your own design, slap your logo on there, and watch the sales roll in. And if you want to take it to the next level, offer channel memberships. Give your biggest fans exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content for a monthly fee. Now that you've got multiple revenue streams flowing, it's time to kick things into overdrive and grow your channel. Think of it like farming. You need to plant the right seeds in the right places for your channel to flourish. That means optimizing your content for discoverability. Use catchy titles that make people want to click. Create eye-catching thumbnails that pop on the search page. And don't forget about keywords. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags so people can find your content. But it's not just about getting views, it's about understanding your audience. YouTube Studio is your best friend. It's like having a team of analysts at your fingertips. Use it to analyze your performance, see what's working, and figure out what needs improvement. Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. The key is to stay consistent, even when it feels like you're not making progress. Keep creating awesome content, keep uploading on a regular schedule, and keep interacting with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships with your viewers. The more engaged you are with your community, the more invested they'll be in your channel. And remember, the YouTube algorithm loves consistency. So keep grinding, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. So there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know to start making money on YouTube. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, creating amazing content, and building a loyal community. It's not always easy, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. Making money on YouTube is possible for anyone willing to put in the work. Start creating, stay passionate, and let your journey begin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.